Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use powerful image editing tools on this website without paying a cent. So if you're looking for pro-level image editing tools without the expensive software, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use an amazing online editor that lets you edit, enhance, and design images for free. So what you need to do is just open your browser and access this website. It's called I Love IMG or Image, I think. And now, as you guys can see, this is a website, a simple solution for editing images online. So you can access all the tools you need to enhance your images easily straight from the web with 100% free. So let's just open the web, this I Love IMG. And as you guys can see here, there are lots of tools that you can choose. You can compress image, you can resize, crop, upscale, you can remove background, or you can change an HTML to image, or you can also generate meme. So you can just choose which tool that you want. Let's say I want to remove a background from an image, so you can just choose the tool that you want. Then you need to drop the image here or select the image directly from your file library in here. So let's say I'm going to edit this photos right here. Okay, this one, you can just tap on open, and now the tool is working. You can also add more images if you want to, so you can do bulk edit in this tools right here in this web. You can just wait. Okay, so this is the before and here's the after the background is removed. Now you can just tap on this one and save the photo. So guys, you can just tap on download file. That's it. I hope you find this helpful, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!